This is the ADO A20F. Let's check it out. ADO sent us their newest bike for a review. This is the street legal version of the A20F. By the way, ADO currently has a Christmas sale going, so if you want this bike for a special price, then check out the links in the description. So let's get started with this review. That's the box. By the way, this package weighs 75 kilograms. And down here we have a specs overview and a contact address basically. Let's open it up. So check it out. One thing that stands out is this plate. This white acrylic piece. But anyways, let's remove the contents of this box. It's all secured with cable ties. So let me try. Okay. Calling a friend over for the unboxing would definitely be no mistake, but hey, I did it. Inside the box I found more strategically placed acrylic plates and one of them actually broke. So I'm assuming that this was for protecting the parts that actually touch the package and like stick out. Goes to show that this thing is properly protected. And now let's unwrap it. Okay, so most of it is unwrapped. I will now try to unfold it, put it together, and then make it stand on its own basically. Perfect. All right. So here we go. What I like, it has everything that it needs right out of the bag. Reflectors, kickstand, lights. Okay, let's finish the unwrapping. I just removed this rubber pad and another acrylic plate, definitely for protecting the vital parts from bending, from scratches. So that's definitely nice to have. All in all, it seems to be in great shape. It's not always the case when you order something straight from China, but the protection of this was pretty much perfect. Let's get to the detailed assembly. So first of all, let's insert the steering bar. And it has this thing, comes off this cover. So I'm going to screw this tight. All right. And it has a clamping mechanism. So let's insert it. Okay, we need to get to the accessories first. So let's see what we got. So first of all, it even comes with a pump. Check this out. Works like this. It even has this head for two different valves, car and bicycle. Very nice. And then there is also this box. There should be tools in there to fix the steering bar in place and also a manual. So we have the pedals. Are you kidding me? How cool is that? We also get a suction tray for free. Then here we have the charging brick, of course. We have the cable, we have the manuals and the tools that I was looking for. All sorts of hex wrenches and this universal tool right here. So these are all the accessories and now let's check out this quick setup guide. All sorts of languages. Page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. Alright, easy as that. Now I can take the biggest hex wrench and fix the steering bar. Works perfectly. When it gets to the alignment, I cannot find these lines, but no problem, you just have to align the wheel as best as you can to the steering bar and just go for it. It's not that hard and you can readjust it, of course, so let's do it. This clamping mechanism is pretty genius and it creates a lot of force. So now I can move on to the handlebar. Everything is pre-adjusted, but just turned this way. Hey, I think that's actually it. Okay, so it's easily adjustable with the minimum height and max height right here. Yeah, maybe a little more. The max height is mainly limited by these cables right here. The kickstand came pre-installed and lastly, let's screw in these pedals. This is what they look like. And for this, you will need this multi-tool. And this is how you can tighten them easily. Oh, and by the way, these are folding pedals. Right and left. All right. This one has a different thread. Not that I think that it's necessary, especially when you tighten it that much, but still a nice detail. You will get a bit oily. Pedals are in place, and as I said, you can fold them. Nice. And now, believe it or not, the basic setup is done. Of course, now you need to adjust the height of the saddle, the height of the steering bar, adjust where the light is shining, this one right here, adjust the pressure, pump up those tires. And lastly, before I charge it up, let's power it on and see where the charge is at this very moment. So the ignition is right, well, it's not an ignition, but the keyhole is kind of hidden. It's right here on the down low. So let's see where the charge level is at. This is what the key looks like, by the way. Oh, it even has this springy feeling. It's like my motorcycle. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just turn it on. So let's see if it will come to life. Power button right here. Whoa. Press and hold. All right, once more. Press and hold to turn it off. And let's go. Assist from 0 to 3. Trip. Oh my goodness. Nice. Light on and off. This is the light, by the way. And now check this out. It has a gear shifter. By Shimano. Oh, by the way, it's also fully charged. At least that's what it seems like, but I'm going to charge it up nevertheless. And lastly, assist on 0. Let's see what will happen. Oh, that will need some adjustment. Assist on 1. And assist on 3. But who cares about the assist? There is of course a throttle, so let's try. Wait, you can't use it? It's not active? It's legal in Austria. Oh no. Yeah, that's something that I forgot to mention. It has a throttle, but as it seems, it's currently not active, which is a shame because I love it. By the way, the tire pressure is A-okay in my opinion, feels alright to me. Now before plugging it in and charging it up and also studying the manual, let's take a look. So we have these two reflectors on the side. On this side we have the gears with the shifter. Nice looking branding right here. Is matte black, the color is looking pretty dope. And of course on this side, one of the folding pedals. Oh my goodness, it even has, well, it at least has shock absorption, but I probably need to unlock it somehow. I will do that later on. It also has a nice carrying handle. On the left side, as you can see, it has this kickstand. Two pretty dope looking disc brakes. Other pedal. Oh, that's nice. Look at those tires. They look so dope. So on the back, it comes with a detachable light, but this is not connected to the internal power. So you need to turn it on and off separately. Two modes, blinking and torch. And this is what it looks like from the front. So you have this light right here. So right here you can see there are 4 separate LEDs in there, and this is what the rest of the bike looks like, so pretty freaking dope. Are you ready? Let's do this. Yo, easy. That's the power of the light, by the way. It's looking really cool. Okay, let's go. Okay, slippery?
Yeah.
Well, this is no problem for these fat wheels. Okay, let's keep on going. Back there is this little hill. Yo! Oh my goodness. I'm already toast. Oh, there's the hill right there. Looks like fun. She's already going for it. Okay, no problem. Is it fun to ride?
Yes.
Is it powerful?
Yes.
Want to try something cool? What can possibly go wrong?
You do it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'll attempt this. It's simply perfect. There is ice everywhere, but that was no problem. That was easy. Easy. That wasn't so bad, but without the throttle, it's really hard. These wheels look so sick. Pretty dope bike. The A20F is by far the coolest looking e-bike that I've gotten so far. Again, check out the links in the description if you're interested, and before you go, smash that like button right now and then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing TechMagnet videos. That's it for this one, enjoy your day and I will see you soon.